top 5 most reliable BMW engines. If you're a fan of the Ultimate Driving Machine, you'll want to know which engines go the distance. Let's count down the top 5 from strong to legendary. 5th place, N52B30. This is a naturally aspirated petrol engine with a 3-liter displacement, producing 220 to 270 horsepower. It was manufactured from 2004 to 2015 and installed in models like 330 in the E90 chassis, 530 in the E60, 3 Series in the E83, and 5 Series in the E70. Common issues: oil consumption, the oil separator, and vacuum hoses. Lifespan around 300,000 to 350,000 kilometers. Keep an eye on the Valvetronic system and the intake manifold. 4th place, M62B44. This is a naturally aspirated V8 petrol engine with 4.4 liters, making 286 horsepower. Produced from 1996 to 2005, used in the 540i E39, 740 E38, and X5 E53. Typical issues: gaskets, seals, and a weak cooling system. Watch out for oil leaks, timing chain wear, and overheating. Lifespan up to 400,000 kilometers. 3rd place, B58 turbocharged petrol, 3 liters, producing between 330 and 390 horsepower. In production since 2015 and still going strong. You'll find it in the G20 340i, G30 540i, G05 X5, and even the Toyota Supra A90. Issues to watch: heat exchanger gaskets and water pump leaks. This engine can easily go 300,000 to 400,000 kilometers. Just make sure to change the oil every 8,000 kilometers or less. 2nd place, M57D30. A turbocharged diesel engine, 3 liters, 180 to 280 horsepower, produced from 1998 to 2008, used in the 530 E39, E60, and X5 models, E53, E70, E90. Main issues: the EGR system and the diesel particulate filter, but this beast can go up to 400,000 kilometers. Take care of the fuel system, turbo, and intake components. 1st place, M54B30, and here it is, the most reliable BMW engine of all time. A naturally aspirated 3-liter petrol engine producing 230 horsepower, built from 2000 to 2006 and found in the E46 330i, E39 530i, and X3 E83 E85. Known issues: oil leaks, valve cover gaskets, and crankcase ventilation valve. With good care, it can last up to 350,000 kilometers. Watch the cooling system and monitor oil consumption. That's the countdown. Which engine do you trust the most or still drive today? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.